Hi guys, it's Laurie from Lauries Lines, and I am here to show you how to download the digital file from your email if you haven't already downloaded it in your browser window right after you purchased it. You're going to get a confirmation email, so you'll click on your email box, open the email, which I have here, and then all you have to simply do is click the link and download. All right, choose open in, and then this is the best part. You can just copy right to GoodNotes if you already have GoodNotes installed. All right, and then you click where you want to save it, what category you want to save it in. And here it is. All right, that's it for downloading your digital journal. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below and we will help you out. Don't forget to hit my subscribe button and I will talk to you soon.